Welcome back, Tech Explorers. This is Tech Wisdom 101, and we're on a mission to transform you into tech wizards. Today, we're learning how to connect your devices to Wi-Fi. It's like hooking up a hose to the water supply. Easy peasy. First, make sure your device's Wi-Fi is turned on. It's usually in your settings. Look for the icon that looks like a little radio wave. Once your Wi-Fi is on, it's time to pick your network. It's like choosing a TV channel. Pick the one that belongs to you, and enter your password. You're in. Just like that. You're connected to the world. Now you can browse the web, download apps, and watch videos. Next time, we'll guide you through how to send an email. Keep practicing, and remember, you're always one step away from becoming a tech master.